Motorola showcased an innovative prototype at Lenovo Tech World 2023, an intriguing, flexible smartphone that's so pliable you can wrap it around your wrist. This dual-purpose device offers the convenience of having both a smartphone and a smartwatch in one, eliminating the need for a phone stand. With a regular form featuring a 6.9-inch diagonal screen, it reduces to 4.6 inches when bent. While the mass production of this smartphone remains uncertain, Motorola had previously presented a similar concept in 2016, suggesting a continued interest in this flexible idea within the company. Yamaha engineers delve into the future of human-machine interaction with the Motorola 2, building upon a concept from about 6 years ago and integrating current trends like artificial intelligence algorithms and facial recognition. This concept bike achieves self-balancing through its swing arm and independently moving rear wheel. Remarkably, Motorola 2 has been trained to move seamlessly without a rider, showcasing a level of skill that allows for dancing with the bike. While the ability to recognize certain gestures is highlighted, Yamaha's promotional page doesn't yet specify the method for controlling the motorcycle without handlebars. In the realm of compact and convenient solutions, the American company Matador presents a keychain attachable stuff sack priced at $17. Tailored for those who frequent the pool or beach, this sack serves as a waterproof storage for essentials like smartphones and wallets during water activities. Perfect for post-swim, it accommodates damp items like swimsuits and trunks. With a capacity of 212 liters and a weight of just 23 grams, this sack, made from nylon with a silicone body, includes a stainless steel ring for added durability and functionality. MAKANI, a groundbreaking kite designed for electricity generation, evolved over 7 years, progressing from a 20 kilowatt prototype to a fully functional industrial kite generating around 600 kilowatt. Initially developed independently, Google acquired the MAKANI project, but funding ceased in 2019, leading to its discontinuation by Alphabet, Google's parent company, in February 2020. The operation of the MAKANI kite is straightforward. Ascending to 300-400 meters, it moves in circles, harnessing wind power through its rotors. Tethered to a ground station, it requires wind speeds of 3.5 mewas or higher to launch, and the generated 600 kilowatts can power approximately 30 households. A relief for those enduring long computer hours emerges from Hong Kong as local inventor Louis Hang introduces a monitor illuminated by natural light. The 24-inch monitor appears standard from the front, but on the back, Hang added a light collector and reflector. While not suitable for dark working conditions without an additional lamp, it proves beneficial during the day, easing strain on both eyes and wallets, with power usage dropping to just 4 watts. Successfully funded on Kickstarter, Hang plans to ship these monitors to backers next year, priced at $569 each. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.